What is news about HIV cure today? Hello friends, welcome back to Mark Medicals. Today, let me answer this question from our subscribers. The question goes, what is news about HIV cure today? If you are a new visitor, subscribe so that you continue getting all updates about complete HIV cure research and HIV vaccines at large. Alright. To better understand this question and answer, you need to know these basics first. Following an HIV infection, HIV attacks and binds on one of the cells of the immune system that has CD4 receptors. HIV first binds to the CD4 receptors, and for successful HIV infection, it binds on another receptor called coreceptor or CCR5. If these bindings successfully occur, you are then infected. After successful binding, HIV breaks into the CD4 cells, inserts its genetic material and starts producing copies of itself using the resources in the human CD4 cells. After some time, the CD4 cell gets damaged and overworked, leading to death. After the death of many CD4 cells, your body will not be able to defend itself from illnesses leading to AIDS, the final stage of HIV. About the latest on HIV cure breakthrough. Companies like the American Gene Technologies are steps closer to complete HIV cure. As I talk now, cure therapy is already being tested on humans with great success. What they do is like this: a patient walks into the hospital and gives in about 400 mL of blood. CD4 cells are filtered and the genes on the coreceptor, or CCR5, are modified to stop HIV binding on it. Then after a few weeks, the modified HIV-specific CD4 cells are infused back into the same person. The patient develops a lifelong HIV immunity and will not need to take ARVs again. The client will also never transmit HIV through sex again. In other words, the patient will gain what is called a functional cure. About the latest HIV vaccine breakthrough. In 2009, scientists in one of the studies in Thailand designed a vaccine that successfully prevented HIV infection in 31% of the participants. This gave us lots of hope that, finally, we could see a world without HIV. Currently, scientists have designed two types of vaccines. One, a vaccine that stops HIV from binding on the receptors. Two, a vaccine that activates the immune system to attack and kill HIV. All these vaccines are also in clinical trial phase today. Alright, if you would like to continue receiving HIV treatment, HIV cure, and HIV vaccine updates, subscribe to this channel today.